Arthur's point of view, Yunmin came on their undeclared honeymoon. After coming here, their personality took 360-degree turn. Jimin became super naughty and started giving hard time to Yoongi even without doing anything. Yoongi was getting out of control by every passing second because Jimin innocently do something which make him out of control. Jimin's side was making him wild, sometimes by his innocent act to sometimes his innocent questions. He was laying over Yoongi and kept touching his Adam's apple, which gave him chill shiver. Water was dripping from his ears, which forced him to lose his all the senses. He immediately pushed him and ran to washroom to fix this problem. Let's see what happens next. Jimin looked at him with confused eyes. Why did he push me so hard? And which right time he was talking about? Yoon became mad after coming here. I think here's coldness he can't handle. After all, cat doesn't like cold places, na. Anyways, let me get ready. I will take my revenge later. Arthur, now who gonna tell him that he already take revenge from Yoongi without doing anything and knowing? Time skipped after some times. Right now, Yunmin was standing at the reception. Jimin was happily admiring the hotel's interior because they came at night and he was very tired too, so he couldn't see anything properly. Yoongi was talking with receptionist. Receptionist, good morning, Mr. Min. Yoongi, good morning, ma'am. Receptionist gave him a list. Here is your list. I made the entire plan, not only from this city, it's for our whole country's special places. Yoongi took the list from his hand. Oh, thank you so much. Did you add my special request in this? Receptionist, yes, Mr. Min, I added your all the special demands too. Your husband will be happy to see this. Don't worry about this. Your car will be here in no time. Yoongi, thank you so much. It literally means a lot for me. Receptionist, no need to say thank you, Mr. Min. Enjoy your honeymoon. Jimin, John. Yoongi, Jimin, why are we still here? Aren't we going outside? Yoongi ruffles his ears. Of course we are going. Jimin, then why are we standing here? Held his hand. Let's go now. Yoongi, first let our car come. Jimin, oh okay. What's in your hand? Yoongi gave him list. It's our tour list. Jimin opened the list. Oh wow, we are going to visit this many places. Yoongi, we will visit all the places which is mentioned in this list. Jimin happily, yay, started jumping. Yoongi smiled, my happy Jimmy. Jimin looked at receptionist and hid behind Yoongi. Sorry, receptionist, your husband is so cute, but why did he hide behind you? Yoongi, nothing, he's so shy. Jimin, say her thank you. She made this list for us. Jimin peeked behind Yoongi's and smiled. Thank you, both 90-degree. Receptionist, what's he doing? Yoongi, in our country we thank like this. Receptionist, oh okay Mr. Min, your car is waiting for you. Enjoy your honeymoon. Jimin, thank you so much. To Yoon, by the way Yoon, where are we now? Yoongi, we are in Bergen. Jimin, confused, Burger? Yoongi, burger? Seriously? You can't think anything beyond your food, right? First costly rice, then now burger. Jimin, it's not my fault na. Why did they give this much complicated name to the city? See, costly rice and burger is such a nice and tasty name. It's easy to pronounce too. Yoongi, yeah, why not? Very tasty name. One day you will make lots of changes in world map. Time skipped after some times. They are going somewhere. Jimin was happily looking outside through the car's window and Yoongi was looking at him pretty face. Yoongi, don't put your head outside. Jimin, don't worry, Yun. I'm taking fresh air. Here isn't any vehicle except ours, and it's healthy for our body too. Yoongi pulled him inside. So what if there wasn't any vehicle? You should be careful. You're so carefree. Jimin, when I have you, then why would I think about anything? I know you will always there to take care of me. Yoongi smiled. And how are you so sure about this? Jimin, I know everything. I talked with God. He told me that I'm so careless. That's why they sent you to me. Yoongi, to take care of you. Jimin, of course. You have to take care of me rest of your life. Yoongi, oh really? And what else should I do? Jimin, you have to prepare tasty dishes for me, to tie my seat belt, fulfill my wishes, protect me from everything, pamper me, take me new places, listen me, and things hurt. Yoongi and Jimin, and I don't remember now. I will tell you when will I remember that, okay? Yoongi, okay sir, as your wish, but what should you do? Jimin, me? I should create lots of problem for you, irritate you, ask question, eat tasty dishes, force you to tie my seat belt, create troubles for myself, go on new places with you, talk with you, getting scoldings from you, and yeah, remind you time to time that whatever is yours is mine too, and mine is already mine. Said with big happy face. Yoongi side hugged him. In short, treat you like a prince. Jimin nodded his head pergulously. Because I'm the prince of Busan, na? Yoongi, and you always be. Jimin put his head on Yoongi's shoulder and locked his left hand with his right. Yoongi, Jimin, what if I lost somewhere then? Yoongi, don't think stupid. You won't lost anywhere because I will always with you. I won't let you lost anywhere. Jimin, I know that. By the way, do you think I should learn English? Yoongi, yes, of course you should learn it, but only if you want. Jimin, confused. If I want means, don't you want I learn English? Yoongi, no, you took me wrong. I mean, you should learn English if you wanna learn it by your will, not because of anyone's pressure. Jimin, but everyone tells me that I should learn English. It will help me. Yoongi, of course it will help you to communicate with other countries' people. You should learn it, but there isn't any clause that you have to learn it. Yeah, I know it's a global language, but it's not necessary to learn it forcefully without your will. It's just a language. You don't need to pressurize yourself to do anything forcefully. Jimin hugged him tightly. Thank you. We are living in a society where if you are fair, then you are beautiful. You can speak English, then you are educated, and if you do government job, then you are earning good. Yoongi, thank you, but for what? Jimin, you never forced me to do anything. Yoongi, and I will never force you to do anything. I want whatever you do with your will and enjoy it. If I force you to do anything, then you will never take any interest in it. You can't enjoy that. Jimin, what's the difference between it? Yoongi, there is a big difference. Let me explain you. First, tell me who cooked better, me or Jin Hyang? Jimin, of course Jin Yangi. He is the best. Yoongi, I know. Do you know why did I learn cooking? Jimin, because your cruel caretaker didn't give you food to eat. Yoongi, right. I never want to cook. Due to some circumstances, I have to cook. I was forced to cook food. But Jin Hyang loves cooking. He learned cooking because he loves food. He is a big foodie. All the time he wants food, and food. That's why he learned cooking. He learned it by his will. Nobody forced him. He finds happiness in cooking. That's why his food is this much tasty. Jimin, but your food is tasty too. Yoongi, before your arrival in my life, I cooked food only to live without any interest. But when you came into my life and I got to know that you love to eat lots of food, then I started cooking for you with so much love, passion, and interest. I wanna make lots of tasty dishes for you. Jimin, then why did you prepare grasses and all those weird type of juices? Kyungi tickled on his tummy because your small tummy is weak. It can't handle tasty food for more time. Jimin giggled. Yoongi, okay, joke apart. Now listen to me very carefully. You don't need to do anything without your will, no matter who force you. You don't need to die your desires. If you are uncomfortable from anything, then there is no need to hesitate and hide it. Simply tell me beforehand, okay? I will handle everything by my ways. Promise me? Jimin joined his pinky fingers to Yoongi's. Promise, I will tell you everything. Yoongi, good. Jimin, Yoon. Yoongi, Jimin, so that means I don't need to study. Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. We? Jimin, because I don't like it na. Yoongi, okay, then don't study. Simple. Jimin, super shocked. Really? You don't have any problem? Yoongi, really? Why would I have any problem? If you will study, you will make your career and become independent. You don't need to depend on anyone financially. You can make your parents proud, but if you don't want to study, then also it will be good. You are already married to me. I will take care of your every need. But you don't need to be worried about anything. You can live life happily, but you have to depend on me and your parents for your financial needs. Jimin, no, I was only kidding. I thought you will be mad, but here you are already ready. I don't want to be dependent on anyone. I will study hard and in future definitely make my career, and one day I will take you, our parents and grandparents on long vacation. We will do lots of fun. I will make you all proud on me. Yoongi, you will definitely do that. Jimin, but you have to promise me that you will always with me. Yoongi, did you lost your memory? Didn't you plan our next life's plan too? Jimin, oh yeah, we will always be together. You will be Store and I will be parrot. They both were happily talking with each other. They are going far away from their hotel. That's why it took so much time, and they are talking in Korean, so driver can't understand anything. Time skipped after some times. Driver dropped them at their destination. Jimin was looking here and there by tightly holding Yoongi's hand. Yoongi, so ready? Jimin, ready? But for what? Yoongi, to see you surprise. Jimin, surprise? Do you plan any surprise for me? See, it's summer vacation time. In my city's temperature is very high. Nowadays 44 to 48 degrees Celsius. Come, let me take you on world's best vacation. Most of you don't even know about these places. Are you excited? Yoongi, I planned so many surprises for you. Just come with me. Jimin, tell me na. Yoongi, you don't have a little bit patience na. You just come with me. Jimin, you're so mean. Big pout. If you tell me now, then what will happen? Yoongi, don't pout now. Just walk fast if you wanna see your surprise early. Jimin started running. Yoon, come fast now, you're too slow. Yoongi mentally slapped himself. I shouldn't say this to him now. He won't stop running. Wait! Shouts. Jimin didn't listen to him and started running, but froze at some place and looked at it with big two eyes. Yoongi smiled to see him and recorded his expression in video camera. Yoongi shook him. Jimin, Jimin. Jimin screamed his lungs out. Ah! Yoongi covered his ears. My poor ears. Why are you screaming? Stop it. Jimin held Yoongi's hand and he started jumping in excitement. Yoon, see this? It's so huge. Please click my one pic with it, please. Sit with puppy do eyes. Yoongi, no. Jimin, please, nah, only one pic. Yoongi, why do you wanna click pic with it when we are going inside it? Jimin widened eyes. What? We are really going inside? Are you kidding me, right? Yoongi held his hand. Come with me and give a break to your bean-sized brain. How's the surprise? Cruise. Will you ever see this? I never see it, but definitely wanna experience one time. Arthur's point of view. This is Yoongi's another surprise for his cute husband. He took him on the cruise. He knows Jimin never came on cruise before, so he took him here. He loves to take Jimin on unique and beautiful places. He wants Jimin to explore everything and enjoy a lot. Let's see now what our overexcited Jimin do here. At the security check, they both cleared the security check and they should go inside the cruise, but Jimin got scared. Yoongi, what happened? Don't you wanna come inside? Jimin, terrified eyes. Yes, I wanna come, but I'm scared. Remembered his past experience. Yoongi, why are you scared? Jimin, it will shake a lot. What if it drone then? Yoongi, it won't be drone. Come, hold my hand. It won't shake. Jimin, but boat shook a lot. Yoongi, but it's not a boat, it's cruise. Jimin, but Yoongi, no, but hold his hand and took him inside the cruise top floor. It was so big and beautiful from the deck. Cruise terrace, you can see whole sea's beautiful view. There were so many people. There is a big swimming pool too. Wind was blowing too fast. Jimin barely stood there. Yoongi took him at deck. He covered Yoongi's both the eyes by his hand and by other hand he held his arm to prevent him from the wind. He took him to the railing and removed his hand from his eyes. Jimin took few seconds to open his eyes and adjust the light, but once he opened his eyes he was super shocked to see the views. He can't express his feeling. He wanna say so many things, but words were stuck in his throat. Happy tears were ready to flow. He was having so many mixed feelings, which is impossible to express for him. Jimin screamed his lungs out of happiness. Ah! Yoongi, while recording him, my poor ear, don't know why this boy loved to scream this much, but he looked so happy, he couldn't express his feelings. That's why he's screaming like this. Anyways, let him scream. I'm happy as far as he's happy, said in mind. Jimin, Yoon! Yoongi, for your kind information, I can hear everything. Jimin, it's the sea. Yoongi, we are in the sea. Did you like your surprise? Jimin looked at him. Are you kidding me? I loved it so much. Grabbed the railing and ready to jump, but he stopped and looked at Yoongi. Yoongi, don't worry, you can jump as much as you want. It won't drown. After hearing this, Jimin started screaming and jumping. Yoongi was recording everything in his camera with big gummy smile. Jimin, Yoon! Yoongi, Jimin, Yoon, it's so beautiful. These big mountains, partially covered with snow, clear and open sky, and the sea as far as eyes can see. Only water is visible. Put his right hand on his forehead and tried to look far away. Yoongi, of course you will see only water because we are in the sea, and there is one more thing which you didn't mention. Jimin with curious eyes. What? Yoongi, huge rainbow. Jimin, rainbow? But where is it? Why can't I see it? Yoongi, you can't see it. Now give me some candid pose. I will click your pics with rainbow. Jimin, wow, Yoon, you learned about candid too. Good job. Yoongi, rainbow will be disappear soon. Jimin, no, look at the sky. Rainbow, please wait for me. With that, Yoongi clicked Jimin's lots of pics. Jimin was happily posing for him with sunglasses and attitude. Isn't he looking super cute? Jimin, Yoon, are you taking my good pics now? Yoongi, stop talking and continue giving me pose, otherwise rainbow will disappear. Jimin mumbled, Mini Yooni, always order me. If he ruin my pics, then I will sue him. Yoongi, if you are done with your mumbling, then can we continue? Jimin, yeah, sure. In mind how he always hear my thoughts. Jimin snatched the camera from Yoongi's hand. Now it's my turn. You go and give me poses. I will also click you lots of pics. Yoongi, no, I'm not interested in all these things. Jimin, I'm interested now. You should also click lots of pics and create memories so that you can relive all these moments in future too and laugh. These memories will become the source of happiness in future. Yoongi smiled. What happened to your princess brain? Jimin, it got corrected by your big brain. Now give me pose. I will click you lots of pics. Yoongi, if I say no, then will you be angry? Jimin, never. Yoongi, then why are you asking? Click the pics. With that, he started clinking Yoongi's lots of pics too. Yoongi take care of Jimin's wish, and Jimin made sure that Yoongi also enjoy the moments along with him. That's the precious moments of the life when you create memories together with your loved ones. To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? How was Yoongi's cruise surprise? Do you think Jimin can spend a single day without creating troubles for himself? Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. How was Yoongi's surprise? Did you like the cruise? See, Yoongi always planned unique surprises for his little chimney. We are going on very exciting and beautiful place which hardly some of you know. Along with Hyunmin, are you gonna see lots of unique places? Your author is very busy nowadays. That's why she can't reply to your comments. Please cooperate with me. I'm sure you all gonna love it. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.